today we got my dog. That wasn't good. Pippa, look, it's a camera. Look. It's you. Oh, see the face? Whose face is that? That's you. That's you. Yeah. So, she's so cute. Look at her. Just really turn. Look at that face. Can't really see her face. But look at her. She's so cute. So cute. I know we should just pet her right now. I guess. Oh, dang it. So I got mustache stuff on my nose, so I'll go wash that off. I had like a mustache tattoo. You guys didn't check out my other videos. It was pretty cool. I got it from school. I'm in 3rd grade. Okay, yep, bye.